What's up, guys? Today we're learning This Life by Vampire Weekend. It's a great song, and I couldn't find a lot of great tutorials online for it, so here I am. We're in standard tuning. I'm using a pick. We're going to learn that main riff along with the verse, the chorus, the solo, and all that fun stuff. Okay, so let's begin with that main riff. The first position we're going to be in is our pointer finger on the 6th string from the top, 9th fret, and our ring on the 10th fret of the 5th string. You pluck it. You just want to hit these two strings. That takes some skill, some accuracy, but you can build that, practice it. Cool. So we do 2 there. Okay, then we slide to this. Pointer fingers go into the 7th fret of the last string, and then the ring fingers go into the 9th fret. Then down 2 frets each, so 5th and 7th. Okay, so you see that? Nice. Gonna slide back. Now we have our pointer finger on 10th fret last string and our ring on the 12th. Okay, then back to our original position. Then back to 7th and 9th. So cool. And then we're barring, pointer fingers getting both of them, putting our middle finger on the 6th string now on the 12th fret, taking it off. So we're barring across the 10th, putting our middle finger on 12th, and taking it off, playing 1 pluck, and then going down to 7 and 5. That's the hardest part of the riff, getting down there. And then you end off with this one. Bum 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 bum, and the bass comes in. That's the main riff. So it ends off with the 10 and 12, our first position, and 7 and 9. Bum 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 bum. Boom! Did that. Main riff done. Then he does the verse. Okay, so the verse and chorus are just 3 chords: A, D, and E. I'll go through those real quick. Our A is my middle, my ring, and my pinky on the 2nd, or the 3rd, 4th, and 5th strings from the top on the 2nd fret. Nice happy chord. Then to a D, which is my pointer finger on the 4th string, 1st fret or 2nd fret, ring on the 5th string, 3rd fret, middle on the last string, 2nd fret. Cool, that's our D. And the E, which is our middle finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and pointer finger, 4th string, 1st fret. Nice. So the rhythm for this goes as such. One strum pattern here, 2 on the D, 1 on the E. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. But you're going to want to do this really fast. It's like, so yeah, he uses those chords and he sings. He goes, baby, I know pain is as natural as the rain. I just thought it didn't rain in California. For the chorus, he's like, this life and all its suffering. Oh Christ. You get the gist. Before he gets to other chords that we're going to learn, he's going to play like a musical interlude in between verses, which you may notice is basically the same as our main riff. It's just plucking. Sounds kind of like that. It's just our main riff, but you're plucking, hitting the 2 strings at the bottom. the exact same thing. So you already know it, do that. Cool. Then he goes back to playing verses. Then we have the line. You've been cheating on me. I've been cheating on you. So the chords for that go like this. We have our D. You know this one. We have a B. We have a D again. We have an A. We have a D. We have a B. And then we're done. So it's like, I'll play it and then I'll show you the chords. You've been cheating on me. I've been cheating on you. You've been cheating on me. I've been cheating through this life. And all this suffering. Got the gist? Cool. So the one we don't know yet is the B, which is no fun. It's a bar chord. You're using your pointer finger, barring all these strings, not the top one, just the others. If you can't, just mute them. Do your best. Try to at least hit this one. Okay. We're going to put our ring and pinky on the 4th fret, 3rd and 4th strings for the top, and then our middle on the 5th string, 3rd fret. There's a couple other hacks you can do to do this chord, so you can look those up. But you should learn this chord. It's bar chords are needed. So it's a great time to learn. Just saying. So it's like, you've been cheating on me. I've been cheating on. Oh gosh, I do it wrong. So it's D, B, D, A, D, B, like A. So and he jumps back into the verse chorus. Cool. Okay, we're almost there. We have one more fun part left, which is the solo. And I'll do a quick demo for you. We're back down here. Cool. So you just heard it. Let's walk through that really slow. There's a lot of frets, so I'm not going to call them all out, but I'll try to. We're starting 12th pinky, 6th string, and 9th pointer finger. We pull off with our pinky. Cool. Back to 12th on the 5th with pinky. Okay, then middle finger goes on number 10 for 5th string. Back to 12th and slide to 14th. Do that part, get used to it. Okay. Then we take our pinky, pluck, and slide back to 12. Then hit number 9 with our pointer. Nice, on the 5th string. Back to 12. Back to 9th. Cool. 4th string. 11th fret. Back to 9th on 5th. And middle finger gets 10. So really slow. Great. I hope you can follow along with that pretty well. That's the whole song. If I added some value to your day, please drop me a like. I also do lots of underground songs that the mainstream guitar tutorials won't do. So subscribe to me, man. I got you. And have a great day.